Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, May 12th, and we have a Zoom meeting at 2 p.m. Benin time. I hope some of you will be able to join us, but let's talk about today. Sixes, you are going to be reading 2 A to Z stories and answering questions. You have some reader's notebook pages to do, and then you get to watch a video on the gingerbread man. And you are continuing to work on your 2D shapes math. For 7-year-olds, you are going to be working on a cinquain poem. You are going to be practicing your reciting of your poem for Wednesday's Zoom meeting. And then your second poem, that is your favorite so far, that you have written yourself. You have grammar pages and 1 A to Z story. You have skip counting in math, your 2s, 5s, and 10s. You're going to be working on arrays with repeated addition and multiplication. And then you have 2 fun videos to help you with your multiplications of your 2s and 3s. So again, a Zoom meeting at 2 p.m. Benin time. I hope to see you all there. Have a great day of learning. See you later. Bye.